The story of Deadpool, a mercenary with a mouth. Imagine a world where violence and dark humor go hand in hand. Into that universe was born Wade Wilson, a Canadian mercenary with a troubled past and an even more uncertain future. Diagnosed with terminal cancer, Wade underwent the Weapon X program, an experimental initiative that promised to cure him. However, the experiment went horribly wrong, leaving him disfigured and with a healing factor that made him nearly immortal. With his mutated body and unstable mind, Wade adopted the identity of Deadpool. His new life led him to become a mercenary, but a very unique one. With a dark sense of humor that rivals that of a stand-up comedian and an ability to break the fourth wall that will leave you speechless, Deadpool quickly became an anti-hero like no other. Throughout his adventures, Deadpool has faced villains of all kinds, from ninjas to renowned supervillains. He has been a member of teams such as X-Force and has had complicated romances, always with his characteristic touch of humor. An atypical anti-hero, Deadpool defies the stereotypes of the traditional hero. He is violent, sarcastic, and often acts on impulse. However, beneath his crazy exterior is a heart that fights to do the right thing. The power of the fourth wall, one of Deadpool's most distinctive characteristics, is his ability to interact directly with readers and narrators. This ability allows him to comment on the story, make jokes about the comics, and even poke fun at the writers themselves. A reflection of pop culture, Deadpool is a product of our times. His irreverent humor and love of self-reference make him a character that resonates with modern audiences. A social commentary, despite his comical appearance, Deadpool often tackles serious topics such as death, illness, and violence. His stories can be a way to explore these themes in a lighter, more accessible way. Deadpool fits into the Marvel Universe in a unique way. He is a character who can coexist in both comic stories and more serious adventures. His popularity has led to him appearing in numerous series and crossover events, interacting with other iconic Marvel characters. In conclusion, Deadpool is much more than just a mercenary with a big mouth. He is a complex and fascinating character who has left an indelible mark on the world of comics. His combination of humor, violence, and reflection makes him an anti-hero who has won the hearts of millions of fans around the world. What's your favorite Deadpool moment from the comics? Do you think Deadpool is a hero or a villain?